Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIEO level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished question number 12 of exercise 14.4 and today we are going to do remaining questions. Start from question number 13. But before I start question number 13, I would suggest all those students who are watching my lectures first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is ADMath. Watch previous lectures of this exercise and this chapter. After watching previous lectures, definitely you have good command on this topic. So let's start question number 13. You can see on your screen question number 13. A curve has equation y is equals to a e 2x plus b e minus 2x. The gradient of the tangent at the point 0, 10 is minus 12. What I wrote? M subscript t, m for gradient and t for tangent. So gradient of tangent is minus 12. Part A. Find the value of A and the value of B. Very easy. First we have to satisfy the point 0, 10 by the given equation. So put 10 instead of y and put 0 instead of x in the given equation of the curve. So 10 is equals to a e 2 zeros are 0 plus b minus 2 zeros are 0. You know something to the power 0 is 1. Therefore a multiplied by 1 is a plus b multiplied by 1 is b. Assign the name of this equation is equation number 1. The second thing which is given in the question, the gradient. The gradient of tangent is minus 12. So we have to take the equation again. Y is equals to a e 2x plus b e minus 2x. Now find the derivative. Dy by dx is equals to a e power 2x, derivative is 2x multiplied by 2. This is called the derivative of the function. The derivative of 2x is 2 plus b e power minus 2x multiplied by the derivative of minus 2x, which is minus 2. And dy by dx can be called gradient of tangent. So 2a e 2x minus 2 into b is minus 2b e power minus 2x. And in this question the gradient, the value of the gradient is given, which is minus 12. So 2a e power minus 2x minus 2b e power minus 2x. Next, we have to satisfy this gradient by the value of 0. So minus 12, because the gradient of the tangent at 0, 10 is minus 12. So we have to put x is 0. So minus 2 0. Sorry, this should be plus, and minus 2 be e power minus 2 into 0. So minus 12 is equals to, again we will get 2a minus 2b. Why? Because something to the power 0 is always 1. Reduce this equation dividing by 2 the whole terms. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So our second equation is minus 6 is equals to a minus b. This is equation number 2. Now solve both the equations one by one. One by one means both the equations simultaneously. Simultaneously. So I am using the elimination method. 10 minus 6 4. If you add both the equation, a plus a is 2a and b cancel by b. So 2 2s are 4. Hence the value of a is 2. And put this equation of 2 in any one of the equation, 1 or 2. I am putting in 1. So a plus b is equals to 10. A is 2 plus b is equals to 10. And b is equals to 10 minus 2 and 10 minus 2 8. Hence the value of b is 8. So part A has done. This is the requirement of part A, the value of a and b. So value of a is 2 and the value of b is 8. Now move to next part. Find the coordinates of the turning point on the curve and determine its nature, minimum or maximum. So very easy. First we have to write the question again. Part B. This is the part B. Y is equals to, our given question is a e 2x plus b e minus 2x. Okay. First we have to put the values of a and b which we have find in part A. So a is 2 e power 2x, b is 8 e power 2 minus 2x. And because we have to find the turning point, so now we must find the derivative. So dy by dx is equals to 2 e power 2x. E power 2x derivative is e power 2x into derivative of 2x, which is 2, plus 8 e power minus 2x derivative is e power minus 2x into derivative of minus 2x, which is minus 2. So 2 to the 4 e power 2x, 2 8 is 16 e power minus 2x. In order to find the turning point, we must replace dy by dx by 0. So 0 is equals to 4 e power 2x minus 16 e power minus 2x. Now divide all the terms by 4. 0 upon 4 is 0. 4 upon 4 is 1. 16 upon 4 is 4, and this e power minus 2x becomes e power 2x if we take this to become the denominator. Now 0 is equals to, take the LCM of e power 2x, and this is 1. So e power 2x multiplied by e power 2x should be e power 4x, and e power 2x cancelled by e power 2x, this is 4. This e power 2x multiplied by 0, it should be 0, hence e power 4x, and this minus 4 should be shifted to left hand side, which is 4. Now it's a time to take ln on both sides. So ln e power 4x is equals to ln 4. Ln and e cancel. 4x is equals to ln 4, and x is equals to 1 upon 4 ln 4. This is the stationary value of x. Now put this value of x in the given question. Our question is y is equals to ae 2x plus be minus 2x, but we have already find the value of a and b, so we have to write 2e 2x plus 8e minus 2x. Put this value of x in this equation. So I am making more place. So y is equals to 2e 2x. X is what? 1 upon 4 ln 4 plus 8e minus 2x. X is 1 upon 4 ln 4. Now simplify it. 2 2s are 4. 2e power 1 upon 2. This 1 upon 2 must become the power of 4, because this is the rule of logarithm, that log a to the power b is b log a, or b log a is equals to the log a to the power b. So ln 4 to the power 1 upon 2 plus 8, this is 2 to the 4, and same thing over here, ln 4 to the power minus 1 upon 2. Now ln and e cancel, so y is equals to 2 into 4 to the power 1 upon 2 means 4 square root, and 4 square root is 2 plus 8 e to the power ln, and 4 to the power minus 1 upon 2 can be write 1 upon 4 to the power plus 1 upon 2. Y is equals to 2 to the 4 plus 8, ln and e cancel, into 1 upon 4 square means 4 square root, 4 to the power 1 upon 2 means 4 square root, which is 2. So y is equals to 2 for the 8, 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Hence stationary points are what we have find x 1 upon 4 ln 4, and the value of y is 8. But question is not end. They also ask the nature of this stationary point. So in order to find the nature, we must have first derivative. which we have already find in above. So dy by dx is 4e 2x minus 16e minus 2x. dy by dx is 4e 2x minus 16e minus 2x. In order to find the nature, we must find the second derivative. So d square y by dx square. So this should be 4 to the 8 e power 2x minus 16 minus minus plus 16 to the 32 e power minus 2x. Now satisfy this double derivative by the value of x. The value of x is 1 upon 4 ln 4. So 8 e power 2x 1 upon 4 ln 4 plus 32 e power minus 2x 1 upon 4 ln 4. Obviously, if you find the whole value with the help of your scientific calculator, this should be greater than 0. You can check, you can verify. I am not verifying it because this is 100% positive. Okay? It seems to be positive. It should be positive, sorry, not seems to, 100% positive. Therefore, 1 upon 4 ln 4 8, this is our stationary point, is minimum. And the question has ended. So I gave 17 around 18 minutes to solve this question number 13. Very important and very easy according to examination point of view. Very important question. Now move to question number 14. So this is the whole question. We did lot of work in order to explain each and every step. Now move to question number 14. Here we go. This is question number 14. A curve has equation y is equals to x ln x. The curve crosses the x-axis at the point A and has a minimum point at B. Find the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B. Very easy question. As the curve crosses the x-axis, it means y should be 0. So x ln x. This implies that, this is the sign of this, implies that x is equals to 0 and ln x is equals to 0. So if ln x is equals to 0, take e both side, so it should be x is equals to e to the power 0, which is 1. So now we have two coordinates, 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 0, but we have reject this, because if we put 0 0 in the given question, So y is equals to 0 means y0 is equals to x0 ln 0, and ln 0 is undefined. Therefore, the coordinates of A are 1, 0. So first requirement has fulfilled. The coordinates of A has to be found. The second is minimum point at B. So in order to find the minimum point, we must find the derivative. So dy by dx x ln x, it means we have to use the product rule. U time derivatives of ln x plus ln x time derivative of x, 1. X cancel by x, dy by dx is equals to 1 plus ln x. So for minimum point or maximum point, we must have stationary value. So we replace dy by dx by 0, 1 plus ln x, 1 shift over there, minus 1 is equals to ln x, taking e on both sides. So x is equals to e power minus 1. Put this value in the given question. Our question is y is equals to x ln x. Y is equals to x is what? E power minus 1 dot ln x e power minus 1. Next, y is equals to e power minus 1. Ln and e cancel, only minus 1. So y is equals to minus e power minus 1. Hence, coordinates of B are x is e minus 1 and y is minus e minus 1. And we have already find the coordinates of A as well, which is 1, 0. This is our final answer. So as compared to question number 13, it is short, small, only few steps. After question number 14, move to question number 15. Very important question, very important. Many things required in this question. So start one by one. A curve has equation y is equals to x square ex. The curve has a minimum point at P and the maximum point at Q. Find the coordinates of P and the coordinates of Q. Very easy. So for minimum point or maximum point, the first step is to find the stationary point. And for stationary point, we must calculate the derivative. So two functions are multiplied. So we have to use the product rule, which is u into v formula. So u time derivative of v plus v time derivative of u x square derivative is 2x. Taking ex common, x square plus 2x. Now replace dy by dx by 0. So ex is equals to 0 and x square plus 2x is equals to 0. This is not possible, not admissible, because in order to find the value of x, we must take ln on both sides, and you know ln 0 is undefined. So now x square plus 2x is equals to 0. Taking x is common, x plus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 2. So obviously the coordinates of P for maximum and the coordinates of Q for minimum. So first put this x is equals to 0 in the given equation. Y is equals to x square ex. X is 0, 0 square, ex 0, something multiplied by 0 is 0. Therefore, the point P has coordinate x0, y0. Why this is P? Because this is minimum point, and for maximum point we have to use minus 2. X is equals to minus 2. So put x is equals to minus 2 in the equation. Y is equals to minus 2 square e power minus 2. Y is equals to 4 e power minus 2. Hence coordinates of Q are minus 2 comma 4 e minus 2. No need to check the nature because already given P is minimum point and Q is maximum point. So hope you understand completely part A. This is part A. Come to part B. Part B is what? The tangent to the curve at the point A 1e meets the y-axis at the point B. The normal to the curve at the point A 1e meets the y-axis at the point C. Find the coordinates of B and the coordinates of C. Very easy question. First we have to write the derivative which we just find in above part. Dy by dx is equals to e power x, x square plus 2x. This is the derivative. And you know, dy by dx represent gradient of tangent. E power x, x square plus 2x. Satisfy this value by coordinates of A, that is x is equals to 1. So mt at x is equals to 1 is e1 into 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3e. So mt is 3e. What is the equation of tangent? Y minus y1 is equals to mt times x minus x1. Satisfy with A. Y minus y1. y1 is e. mt we find 3e. X minus x1. x1 is 1. Now see the part B again. The tangent to the curve at the point 1e meet the y-axis. Meet the y-axis means this is the tangent. Tangent or equation of tangent. If you see the word tangent or if you see the word equation of tangent, both are same. So this tangent meet y-axis means we have to put x is 0, 0 minus 1. So y minus e is equals to 3e into minus 1 is minus 3e. So y is equals to minus 3e plus e is equals to minus 2e. Hence, the coordinates of B are x is what? 3e. Sorry, x is what? 0, because the curve, the equation of tangent cuts the y-axis. And minus 2e, which we just find. Now, the part hasn't finished. The next one is find the coordinates. The next line is the normal to the curve at the point 1e meets the y-axis at the point C. So for normal, we must find the equation of normal. We must find the equation of normal. So for equation of normal, first we must have gradient of normal. So for gradient of normal, we must have gradient of tangent, we just find above. So if gradient of tangent is 3e, then gradient of normal is minus 1 upon 3e. You know, the product of gradient of tangent and gradient of normal is minus 1. Now find the equation of normal. So y minus y1 means x1 means the same a, because the normal has also satisfied the coordinates of a, which is 1e. Y minus y1 is equals to mn minus 1 upon 3e. X minus x1 is 1. And see, this normal, the normal to the curve at the point A, 1e, meet the y-axis at point C. So if the line cuts the y-axis, then the value of x must be 0. Okay, so y minus e is equals to minus plus 1 upon 3e. Y is equals to 1 upon 3e plus e. Hence, the coordinates of C are 0, e plus 1 upon 3e. Now part B has completely finished. Move to part C, the last part of the question. Find the area of triangle ABC. So for area of triangle, we must have coordinates of A, B and C. Coordinates of A are 1, E. Coordinates of B are 0, minus 2E. And coordinates of C are 0, E plus 1 upon 3E. These are 3 coordinates. The target is to find the area of triangle. So if I roughly draw x and y-axis, so first we have to plot 0 and minus 2e. So x0 on y-axis, so the point should be over here, and x0 ye plus 1 upon 3e, the point should be over here. So this is B, this is C, and 1e should be over here. This is A. So if I join these 3 points ABC triangle has formed. But this triangle is not a right angle triangle. So we must use the formula which we have already studied in uh, chapter number 7. Area of triangle ABC is equals to x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1 multiply by 1 upon 2. So x1, if you take A is x1 y1, so 1e, B 0 minus 2e, C 0, e plus 1 upon 3e, and again x1 y1 1e. So what was the formula? One upon 2, first multiply 1 into minus 2e plus 0 into e plus 1 upon 3e, something multiplied by 0 is 0, and plus 0 into e is 0, minus e into 0, 0, minus 2e into 0, 0, and e plus 1 upon 3e into 1 is plus e plus 1 upon 3e. Now simplify it. One upon 2 minus 2e plus 0 is minus 2e, and 0 plus 0 is 0, minus plus minus minus e, minus plus minus 1 upon 3e. And this is the mode. This is the mode. Mode means absolute value. So when we taken out the whole terms, the simplified term, it must be positive. So 1 upon 2 minus 2e minus e is minus 3e, minus 1 upon 3e, one upon 2, taking minus is common, 3e plus 1 upon 3e, and area cannot be negative. Therefore, our final answer of area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 upon 2 3e plus 1 upon 3e. This is our full and final answer. So hope you enjoy this part. Lot of work has done in this question, a lengthy question, but very easy if your concepts are clear. Move to question number 16. This is question number 16. The diagram shows a semicircle with diameter EF of length 12 centimeter. Angle GEF is theta radians, and the shaded region has an area of a centimeter square. Show that the area of shaded region is 36 theta plus 18 sine 2 theta. Very easy question, but we have to do some working. Student, if I draw a line like this, and if I assign O is the center of the circle, let O be the center of the circle. You know, half of the diameter is the radius, therefore the diameter is 12, then the radius is 6, and the distance from the center to the boundary of the circle is radius. Therefore, if this one is radius, then O to G is also radius, which is 6. Now we have two parts. Shaded area is equals to area of triangle E O O G plus area of a sector G O F. Now, can I say triangle E O G is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal, which are radius. If the spelling of isosceles is not correct, kindly ignore it. So if this angle is theta, see the diagram, focus on diagram. If this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. So what should be the value of this angle? Angle at the center. So in a triangle, if I draw roughly this triangle over here, this is 6, this is 6, this is theta, this is theta. So if we have two angles in a triangle, then how to find third angle? Very easy, just subtract from 180. Theta plus theta is 2 theta. Hence this angle O is 180 minus 2 theta. So this angle is 180 minus 2 theta. Now area of triangle, what is the formula of area of a triangle? If the triangle is not have the right angle triangle, and if we don't have the coordinates, the formula is 1 upon 2 multiplied by AB sine C. This is the formula which you study in O level math. So area of triangle area of triangle EOG is equals to half 6 and sine is the angle at O. We have find 180 minus 2 theta. Now recall the formula of in trigonometry O level math. Sine 180 minus A is always equals to sine A. Therefore 2 3s are 6, 3 6 are 18. So if sine 180 minus A is sine A, therefore sine 180 minus 2 theta is sine 2 theta. So this is the area of triangle EOG. Now we have to find the area of sector. So our sector is this is radius should be 6, this is radius should be 6. What should be this angle? Very easy. If this angle is 180 minus 2 theta, so according to the angle in a straight line, 180 minus 180 minus 2 theta, because if we have one angle in a straight line, then we can find the second angle by subtracting from 180. So 180 minus plus 2 theta, 180 cancel by 180. Therefore, the angle at the sector is 2 theta. There is another way to find this angle. If you apply the angle property of circle, angle at the circumference, angle at the center is always double the angle of the circumference. So angle of the circumference is theta, therefore the angle at the center must be 2 theta. So take the point whatever you want. Now the area of sector. The formula of area of sector is area of sector of a sector half 1 upon 2 r squared theta. So 1 upon 2 r square, r is 6, 6 squared theta is 2 theta. 2 cancel by 2, 6 square is 36 theta. Hence the area the shaded area, hence shaded area is equals to (36) theta plus 18 sine 2 theta. Proved. This is part A. Very interesting part and very easy as well. Now move to part B. Part B is given that theta is increasing at the rate of 0.05 radians per second. What does it mean? It means d theta by dt is given 0.05 radians per second. Next, find the rate of change of A when theta is equals to pi by 6 radians. So we need dA by dt when theta is equals to pi by 6 radians. Very easy. First we have to write the area which we have find in part A. First we have to find dA by d theta, derivative of A with respect to theta. So dA by d theta, 36 theta. Here theta is playing the role of x. So if the derivative of x is 1, therefore the derivative of theta is also 1. Plus 18 multiplied by sine 2 theta, derivative is cos 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta, which is 2. So 36 plus 18, 2s are 36 cos 2 theta. Satisfy this value by the given value of theta, cos 2 multiplied by theta, which is given pi by 6. 36 plus 36 into 2 3s are 6. Cos pi by 3, if you find from your calculator, cos pi by 3 is 1 upon 2. 2 18s are 36. 36 plus 18 is 54. Now we will apply the chain rule. dA by dt is equals to dA by d theta multiplied by d theta by dt. dA by d theta we have find 54 and d theta by dt we have given 0.05. Calculate. .7 centimeter square per second. This is our final answer. So hope you enjoy this part. So today we have done a big work. First is we finish a very important exercise according to examination point of view, and the second big work is we finished successfully chapter number 14. There were total 4 exercises. We did all exercises, all questions, all parts. So kindly comments about me and my way of teaching this chapter. What next? And the third big point, sorry I forgot to tell you, third big point is we have finished the whole concept of differentiation. First we did chapter number 12, differentiation 1, and today we have finished chapter number 14, differentiation 2. What next? The next is a very important topic called the antiderivative or integration. A very lengthy chapter but very easy. You will be witness to see this chapter. So students, this is our today's class where we finish chapter number 14, exercise 14.4. Kindly do subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. And whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture and new chapter, chapter number 15, integration.